Welcome back to 75 Days on the Snowboard. I have a few weeks left and I'm feeling pretty comfortable on rails. This episode, I'm going to test my speed down the mountain and see if I improved from earlier this season. I was able to shake 10 seconds off my top to bottom run, but I really want to see my top speed through the trees. The time to beat is 14 miles per hour.
Stroke after stroke, stroke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more. Tell me what I want, just keep searching on. It's never enough, cup after cup, blunt after blunt. I wouldn't get one if I could find a far, in the car, then I put that on my mama. And my bitch call, talking about some drama. I swear there ain't no time for women on the karma. It's either pussy or the karma. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex. With my squad and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex. With my squad and I'm smoking up a check. This, it just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit to the ones that listen. I can with the heat, man, I swear I'm never missing. And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never switching. Knowing all of this, it just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit to the ones that listen. I can with the heat, man, I swear I'm never missing. And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never switching. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. Stone cold with the flex with my squad and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck.
This winter I was able to improve my groundwork, park skills, and speed down the mountain. That leaves us with one more category to test. See you in the next one.